So in this tutorial, we're going to be looking at badges. Badges are essentially icons we could think of, but they add a layer of functionality on top of them. So let's get rolling on these. And we've seen these before. Some of these items in Material UI, you're like, hey, what's that? Oh, I've never used that. So others are like, what is that? But when you see it, you definitely know. And we've all pretty much used Facebook or LinkedIn or Instagram or whatever. So we're going to make a badge. We're going to come down in here, and I'm just going to lift this straight out of the documentation here. And so let's do this. So we have this little icon here. All right, cool. You know, maybe we could come in here and font size. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Let's see. Large. All right. Like, what's going on? There's nothing special here. Well, this is what is special about this. So let's come in here and let's do badge content. What does this mean? Well, we have this up here now. Well, this isn't very good. So let's go ahead and do this. So now we're moving this down here. And now we see there's a 3 up here. Well, that 3 kind of sucks. Let's add some color to it. And now we see that we have this lit up as a 3 here. If we wanted to come in and have, let's see what it looks like with 100. Okay, so it goes to 99 plus, which is pretty cool. Now, you may want to use some kind of state, some kind of logic. If it goes over 10 or whatever your max may be, you want to do 10 plus instead of 99 plus. But this is a way of taking an icon. You could style your icon however you want to. But then on top of that, what you could do is make the bubble appear representing, you know, the content you put in here, which is pretty neat. And so you could do this with the mail icon here. You could bring in your own icons as well. You could wrap other things and make it appear. And it's just a nice touch, a nice feature. And I'll tell you, maybe because I'm not a CSS master, this is a heck of a whole lot easier than going in here and taking the circle, putting a div around stuff, moving it around, bringing it up here, and maybe, you know, you're a CSS pro or just better at it than I am. But this is one of those things, one of those tiny things that saves you quite a bit of time. And so there's another thing I want to show you with the badges right here. And so